for one thing, my neighbor, which lives two doors, is sister of Dr. Steve Reimers. And I had an accident. My dog, I went on a vacation, and my dog, when I came back, was so excited he jumped up and hit me under the chin, and I clanked my mouth together and broke off a tooth. So right away I called Amy, because she's always bragging on her brother, how good he is. And I said, Amy, come up here and look at my tooth. And she did. And I said, you think your brother could fix this? And I had been going to a different dentist at the time, which I won't name. But anyway, she was just so sure he could make it look perfect that I decided I'd go to him. And he did. I completely had my whole front of the teeth all redone. When I was a kid, my brother had hit me with a baseball right in the mouth when I was a pitcher. And so one tooth had a dead nerve, and it was kind of turned gray. And then one was, to me, was like standing out a little, and I didn't like it. And then I had a space between the front two teeth, which I never did like. So he completely redid the whole front part, the whole top part of my teeth. It was not painful. I mean, you get like a temporary, you know, at first for a while, and then you get the permanent, it's like a cap, like on them. And it didn't take that long, really, and it felt great. I mean, I've never had any problems whatsoever with it. I can eat whatever I want. And I was worried about maybe not being able to eat apples or something like that, but you can eat whatever you want, and it's been great. It was really great. It was just real relaxing. I felt like I'd known him since he was a kid, because I'd known Amy for years and years and years, and I'd known her husband since he was a kid. So, and it was just like meeting one of them. It was real relaxing. I was down at a big flea market. Well, I guess it's an antique extravaganza in Florida a couple of years ago, and this lady just out of the blue came up and she said, I just love your smile. And she said, you have such pretty teeth. She says, I can tell you go to the dentist because your teeth are so pretty. And I've gotten several compliments since then, and that just kind of shocked me, somebody out of the blue just walking up, you know, and making a comment like that. Oh, well, I like I say, I've had a lot of people come up to me and tell me that, you know, you really have pretty teeth. And so it's